everyone. I hope you all are enjoying and doing well and solving lots of questions. Let's solve one more. So there is a ball here. We are projecting it from the floor of a long hall having roof, and roof is at an height of h equal to 10 meter from the ground. We are projecting the ball with initial speed 25 meter per second, and projection speed angle is given with the horizontal, that is 37 degree. ठीक है. Now what else is given? On hitting the roof को hit करने के बाद the ball loses its entire vertical component of velocity. So when you are projecting it, making an angle theta with the horizontal, it will go in a projectile trajectory. So it will go like this, and at this point it will have it will have velocity in this sense, like you will draw tangent on the trajectory, so it will point something like this. Let's say this value is v. It will have two components, one x component, another y component. So it is said that after colliding with the roof, it is losing all its y component of velocity. I mean, it is losing this much of kinetic energy. Done. So after collision with the roof, it will be left at point O with only one velocity, that is Vx. So from here, it will fall onto the ground as if you are throwing a ball from height h horizontally. Done it? Because here it has only horizontal component of velocity left. So basically in this question, you are able to see two projectile motion. One is from A to O, another is from O to P. We are asked to calculate AB. So from first projectile, if somehow we are able to calculate this distance, let's say this is AP and this distance then PB, then we will be able to say what is this AB. Done. How we can calculate what AP. This is more trickier क्योंकि second case में आपको दिख रहा है this is a case of horizontal projectile and there your what this PB value will be how much? It will be time of flight into Vx, and Vx is equal to nothing but Ux, because velocity component along x-axis is not going to change from A to O. Done. So that will be simply T into Ux. Time of flight for horizontal projectile is how much? Root under 2h by g into Ux. So this we can easily solve. Trickier part is your calculating AP. So let's see how we can calculate AP. So our motion will look something like this. I've called this P. We have to calculate AP and PB. Let's deal with it. So first, let's indicate Ux, Uy क्या है? Ux will be 25 cos 37. Cos 37 का value आपको पता होना चाहिए in general. So this is 4 by 5 and so 20 meter per second. What will be the y component? It will be 25 sin 37, which is 3 by 5. So you will be getting value equal to 15 meter per second. So we have got Ux, Uy. It is how much? This. Now there is one equation you can see on the screen, but before that, let me clarify to you one thing. जैसे this point O is a point on the green trajectory, green projectile motion, or you can also say this is on the red trajectory, but let's for now focus on green trajectory because we are interested in calculating AP. So this point O is definitely on this green line, right? Let's write its coordinate. X value, X coordinate of O is not known, that is AP is not known, so that is AP, and Y component of this point O is 10 if we are treating this as an x-axis and this as an y-axis. Done. So this is known. And if we know the equation of this trajectory in terms of y and x, then we can put the value of y there and we can get an equation in terms of x. Right? So let's do that. यहाँ पे इक्वेशन को देखो, मैंने शॉर्टेंड फॉर्म लिखा है इक्वेशन का, इक्वेशन ऑफ projectile motion ka, and this is equation of projectile motion for ground to ground projectile, right? And this equation is very important. When I was discussing, I have already marked it. This is very important. So here theta is what? Angle of projection. R is what? Range. X is the x coordinate of that point. Y is the y coordinate of that point. So if we try to put in values, y is how much? Y is 10 at that point, at this point. X, let's say x is x. We don't know, that is AP. Right, and y is 10. So y का value आप 10 रखोगे, x को x रहने दो, tan 37 that is 3 by 4, 1 minus x by range. Range का value आप कैसे निकालोगे? Range का formula क्या होता है? 2 ux uy by g. So put in the values. Ux is 20, uy is 15 by 2. So if you solve it, you will be getting how much? 2 ux uy by g करना है ना, मैंने 2 कर दिया, देखो यही होता है slip of calculation. This should not occur in your exam, है ना, आपको सही से practice करना है. So this is this, and now this is how much? 60. So range is 60. Now let's put in the values. So I have put in here. अब आप इसको solve कर लो. This is 40 equal to 3x 1 minus x by 60. So what you will be getting? You will be getting 40 equal to 3x minus x square by 20. So you will be getting 800 is equal to 3x, no, that is 3 into 2, so 60x minus x square. Okay, so x square minus 60x plus 800 equal to 0. Let's solve this quadratic equation. You can clearly see this is a very simple quadratic equation. You can write it like this, and if you will solve it, you will get two values of x like this. ठीक है, so x is equal to 20, x is equal to 40. What does the two values of x signifies? So आप उस डायग्राम को अभी ऐसे देखो. If there was no roof, then this green projectile would have looked like this. कुछ ऐसा दिखता है ना? Done it. So if you look at this, then it is at y is equal to 10 for two values of x. X equal to 20, x equal to 40. Which one we need to take? Obviously x equal to 10, because second time it won't get a chance to be at y equal to 10, because at x equal to 20, when it is hitting y equal to 10 mark, it is colliding with the roof and its trajectory is getting changed like this. है ना, कुछ ऐसा हुआ था. So definitely our AP will be how much? X equal to 20. So we have got AP. Now हमारा concern क्या है? To calculate this thing, PB. So PB is basically this thing. अब आप PB को लिख लो. PB is range of second projectile. So यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे? 2h root under 2h by g, which is the time of flight. This is the formula you should remember, क्योंकि देखो h height से गिरा है वो projectile with initial velocity being 0. So time of flight के लिए if you will write the equation s equal to ut plus half at square. I always suggest whenever you are using calculating time of flight, use second equation of motion in the y direction. ठीक है, so s का value h हो जाएगा half g t का square. ठीक है, so t will be 2h by g. That is why I have written here like this. अब आप इसके values को put कर दो. 2 into 10 आप सबका आंसर आ चुका होगा, I know. So this is 20. So this is 20 root 2. This is 20 root 2. This is 20. So total AB का value आप क्या बोलोगे? Ma'am, ये है 21 plus root 2. So I hope it is clear. Even if you feel like somewhere you couldn't understand thing, you can always let me know in the comment section. Keep on solving more number of questions and keep on suggesting me what else to do. I mean, what more questions you want me to do. You can always send me questions also, always in comment section. I used to add that, what is that, question link. I mean, no, not question link, Google form, where you can attach your questions and with together with the answers that I can take up and solve for you. Thank you so much.